Okay guys, so today is day 2. So yesterday, earlier, I really don't have any energy when doing skincare because it's already 1 a.m. So time check tonight, it's already 9 p.m. And I've already had my toner earlier, and also, so we are going to proceed with the 6 peptide booster. So we are going to skip retinol today because I've just introduced it earlier. And I'd also had a vitamin C serum uh, earlier. So I tried it. I wasn't able to document it because nasa baba siya. And ngayon, so ayan. So, medyo may energy na tayo. And so we are going to try this one. So, I just really want to document my skincare kung e-effective siya. And wala na akong storage. So, i-upload ko siya sa YouTube. That's why I'm uploading it. So, ayan. I'm trying to do minimal cuts as much as possible because I want to do it daily. So, para, alam mo yun, within almost 15 minutes lang ng uh, editing or actually just cutting lang, pwede na. So, ayun na, medyo hindi lang maayos yung video natin. So, ayun, para mukha lang yung kita. Pero, ayun, ganyan siya. So, malapit yung sandalan. Okay, let's try. So, ayan. Para mayroon naman tayong balikan. Hindi naman basta-basta ano. So, before I do skincare, may mga thoughts na ako nung sabi ko, what if mag-podcast ako? So, ayan. Yun ang i-bash kung paano ako lagay ng skincare kasi I just want to see the difference. Kasi first time ko ulit magre-retinol. I've had retinol, I think, 2022 or 2023 from a popular brand din na may derma who service or caters to laser uh, laser hair removal and skin whitening. So let me just pause this one because I'm going to find my mist. Okay, going back. So I've already found my mist. So I'm going to try next here my snail mucin. So I've been using this skincare, this set without the retinol and the vitamin C for almost like magwa 1 year na siya on November. So may mga ano naman, tawag dito, effects na mukha na siyang hydrated yung skin ko. Tapos, tawag dito, ang problem ko na lang is yung mga acne marks kasi ayaw niya talagang maalin. So, sometimes, may mga angle na visible siya. Although, it really doesn't bother me naman. Like, parang, andyan siya, sanay na ako. And, tawag dito, ganun naman talaga yung skin condition. So, ba't ko pa i-stress yung sarili ko? Pero, somehow, kakanood ng video. So, and also nakatulong pa kasi August ngayon, so medyo tag-ulan, hindi ganun ka grabe yung sinag ng araw. So kahit nag-apply tayo ng sunblock, at least medyo hindi ganun ka direct. Lalo na kung magta-try ka ng retinol kasi medyo sensitive ang skin pagkadating minsan. So ayun, so actually haba na pala ng video ko. Pero, kailangan kasi dry na dry yung skin. Tawag dito. Oh, hindi nga pala tayo magre-retinol. Anyways, pwede na tayo mag-proceed agad to the moisturizer. So, let's try as much as possible na maging 5 minutes lang tong video. So that it's less edit. So, ayan. So, that's the moisturizer. So, later na lang or siguro sa mga susunod kong video na ako chichika. Kasi, let's try to make the video shorter. Ayan. Ayan, lagay lang tayo ng moisturizer. Alam mo, wina-watch ko yesterday yung video ko. Grabe yung pag-grab nung hindi man lang aesthetic. Alam mo yun, nakakalimutan mo na nagbi-video ka pala. So, this one, after I shoot this, I'm going to upload it immediately. So that, tapos na siya sa obligasyon dun sa mga task na kailangan ko pang gawin. Hi! Ayun. Sige. Let's pause. Okay, going back, so I've already applied my skincare. So, ayan. Tignan natin kung hanggang kailan natin ito mapapangatawanan. But I'll try as much as possible to record. Para lang, tawag dito, ayun. Para makapag-record ka ng diretso posting na. Walang edit masyado. Kasi it's time consuming. Dami ko ang backlog for uploads. Kasi sobra talagang dami yung ginagawa. Anyway, sa mga susunod na yun, sa akong lang ikikwento para continuous yung ano, hindi nakakainip. So, ayan. OMG, Gravacious. Skincare takes only less than 10 minutes. This one, I'm recording for almost 5 minutes and 36 seconds. So, siguro, if isasama natin yung mga uncut, baka ang total nito is 7 minutes. So, kaya kayo, kung wala pa kayong skincare, magkaroon kayo ng skincare. Saglit lang yan ng time ng buhay nyo. Mas matagal pa yung pagsasalang ng sinaing. Okay, sige, ayun lang. Bye! See you tomorrow.